Alpha, Omega, you are worthy of our praises today. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen. We prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So, I want to share with you today how I make Ghana's favorite breakfast ever, Tom Brown. My love for Tom Brown is overwhelming. So one of you, my subscribers, gifted me this Koli Tom Brown, and it is the best so far. Thanks, Jane. I really enjoyed it and I appreciate you. So I want to show you how I prepare my own Tom Brown recipe. So I scoop one ladle into my saucepan and then add 1 cup of water to it and stir. So I add a pinch of salt and some vanilla extracts. Yes. So this is not just any Tom Brown recipe. This is the best. I add the pepper. So now straight to my fire. I stir until it thickens up. So Tom Brown is a combination of multigrain and legumes. Yeah, it's gluten-free and then rich in fiber. Yeah, once I eat this in the morning, it keeps me full throughout the day. It contains vitamin A, B, and E, folic acid, and the like. Yes, so please, once in a while, eat some Tom Brown. So now I add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to it, and we are done. So you see, my Tom Brown is smooth. There are no lumps. So to make it more richer, I'll just add some fruits to it. So just add any fruits of your choice. And then I added some chia seeds and then some peanut. Yes, crushed peanut. And you can see how beautiful, how inviting, and how eye-catching it is. So eating this, I'm gonna enjoy like the queen that I am. So thank you guys for how far we have come. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. This is the part I love so much. Oh my goodness, adding the milk to it takes it to another level. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna try it. So see you in